In this video, I will be explaining what the jobless claims economic indicator is. The definition of jobless claims is new unemployment claims are compiled weekly to show the number of individuals who filed for unemployment insurance for the first time. An increasing, decreasing trend suggests a deteriorating, improving labor market. The 4-week moving average of new claims smooths out weekly volatility. This indicator is produced by the Employment and Trading Administration, U.S. Department of Labor. It is available every week on Thursdays, and the coverage is the week ending Saturday before the release. Why do investors care about this indicator? Jobless claims are an easy way to gauge the strength of the job market. The fewer people filing for unemployment benefits, the more have jobs, and that tells investors a great deal about the economy. Nearly every job comes with an income that gives a household spending power. Spending greases the wheels of the economy and keeps it growing, so a stronger job market generates a healthier economy. By tracking the number of jobless claims, investors can gain a sense of how tight or how loose the job market is. If wage inflation threatens, it's a good bet that interest rates will rise, bond and stock prices will fall, and the only investors in a good mood will be the ones who track jobless claims and adjusted their portfolios to anticipate these events. Just remember, the lower the number of unemployment claims, the stronger the job market, and vice versa. Today is January the 19th, 2012, and we had a better than expected number today. The prior month we had 399,000 new claims. This month consensus was calling for 383,000, and we came in at 352,000. The 4-week moving average level was 381,000, and it decreased to 379,000. New claims change was 24,000, and then the actual was 50,000. The prior month was 24,000. Here we have a graph showing the new jobless claims with the 4-week moving average. The gray indicates the claims, and the red is the 4-week average. Zooming in, we see we were holding some support right around the 380,000 level, and then we went below that today. So things are starting to improve.